The role of healthcare is changing. According to the World Health Organization, non-communicable diseases accounted for 70% of deaths worldwide in 2015. NCDs often require extensive, costly medical care and can cause long-term debilitation. Many are impacted by a wide spectrum of health determinants. Understanding the genetic, behavioral, socioeconomic, and environmental factors that impact the development, diagnostics, and treatment of these diseases is of great importance to global health. Recent advancements in genomic sequencing promise the ability to produce more targeted and effective treatments, while also giving patients more transparency into the role their genetics play in their overall health and wellness. The move towards measuring success of healthcare providers based on their patients' health outcomes, the quality and the cost of their care, is shifting the reimbursement mechanism paradigm. Health data is becoming accessible and aggregated through electronic health records. Momentum is building to share this data across the health system to fuel connected care and innovative research. Patients are also engaging more in their own health information through personal wellness devices and provider-patient portals. These rapidly growing capabilities have paved the way for precision medicine, which combines clinical breakthroughs with mass amounts of data to understand the many determinants of health for each individual, predict how the confluence of these factors will translate into healthcare needs, and personalize the preventative, diagnostic, and treatment solutions accordingly. Precision medicine is a promising catalyst for system-wide change and prioritization of the population health perspective. Health providers need to prepare for the changes it will bring to their delivery models. The goal of my Integrative Seminar project is to design a practicable business model for delivering precision medicine care by defining the value proposition, customer relationships, resources, activities, cost structure, and revenue streams needed for successful implementation. The cost, complexity, and regulatory uncertainty of this evolving approach remain a barrier to entry for healthcare providers. While research funding provisions were made through Obama's Precision Medicine Initiative, they are currently at risk and require exponential expansion at breakneck speed to uncover biological markers of the necessary scope. Gene sequencing results, electronic health record information, and other patient demographic and behavioral data need to be aggregated on an individual level. This data also needs to be de-identified and aggregated at the population level in order to allow the open source research that can identify correlated and causal factors to drive more predictive targeted care. Semantic interoperability and defined data sharing agreements with health entities across the globe are needed to further the use of data without compromising data security. Reimbursement opportunity for precision medicine is also unclear. Current reimbursement infrastructure is system-based and doesn't align well to the fundamentals of precision medicine or the cost structure of its products and services. Regulatory pathways for market approval of pharmaceuticals that are formulated for or have adapted delivery mechanisms or dosages to address the responsiveness of specific genes, also known as pharmacogenomics, are still in the exploratory phase. And many questions remain regarding the bioethics of collecting, storing, and utilizing such personal data. Where can providers begin to plan for such a transformative approach to care while still mired in great uncertainty? My project seeks to answer their most pressing questions in the form of a business model designed for health system investment in precision medicine capabilities, with an emphasis on the critical success drivers and barriers observed at multiple care settings. I'll look at how healthcare providers, their patients, and the broader health system will benefit from adoption of a precision medicine program, which patients are most likely to gain value, how patients can be engaged in learning more about precision medicine products and services, what outreach measures can be taken to encourage patient adherence, how precision medicine products and services generate continuous cash flow, how resource sharing and collaborative practices support efficient care delivery, What assembly of intellectual capital and infrastructure will differentiate a provider that is practicing in precision medicine arena? What a provider can do to best adapt their administrative and clinical practices? What the capital investments, marginal operating expenditures, and potential operational efficiencies may be. To design an effective precision medicine business model strategy, the project will require an iterative approach with an environmental scan of current precision medicine programs. The scan findings then inform an initial draft of a business model for healthcare provider precision medicine programs, which will then be evaluated against the results of an observational study, wherein multiple precision medicine programs will be evaluated to see how their experience aligns with the drafted model. The design will be then updated based on the insight gathered from the real world application, with the desired outcome being improved provider understanding of precision medicine benefits and practicalities, as well as increased implementation of the population focused practices that provide a foundation for a strong precision medicine program.